Gunn tossed his sword aside. He looked up at the big gloom above, that somehow tangible and oppressive black sky. He looked over at Jackie, who was steadfastly whittling. She had some dust in her close-cropped cloud of ebony hair, and her hiking shirt was dirty, too. She had a bunch of random tattoos all down her arms and presumably other places. She had a pierced lip. Jackie was cool. She was tall, dark, effortlessly badass. She looked like she belonged on an adventure. Gunn, on the other hand, looked like what you would see in a dictionary under the heading Nondescript Male.
We're gonna have to do something soon. Maybe go see what those lights are outside the city.
Maybe.
She set her walking stick across her knees. She found it in the woods back in the other world as they were hiking towards, well, they didn't like to think about that too much. It was slender and about as long as her arm spread fingertip to fingertip in the boredom of the dead city. She had developed a borderline frightening relationship with her stick.
That looks like a real long walk in a big chunk of dark.
I just wish we could tell how far away the lights are. They're so far below us. They could be a mile away, or they could be, I don't know, forever.
We've got to be on top of a mountain,
Jackie said for about the millionth time.
But how could a mountain be this big?
I don't know.
Gunn said for about the millionth time.
How can a world exist with no sun, no daylight, no seasons, no wind, nothing living that we can see at all? We need some answers, Jax.
You need answers, because you're a nerd.
You're so cool, Jackie Ames.
Thanks.
It wasn't a compliment. It was supposed to be like... an ironic insult.
Well, you're bad at insults. Like you're bad at cards, and fighting, and talking, and being a dude, and kissing.
How would you know?
Your grandpa told me.
Ugh.
Aha! A smile. An actual smile from the mope? I win!
My grandfather was a giant of a man and a patriarch entire, but he used too much tongue.
Too far.
You started it.
I don't start things. I finish them.